Hi there, my name is Kim Nordby, and I've been photographing for a little over 6 years. I love all sorts of photography, but I'm particularly drawn to landscapes, wildlife, and macro photography. Photography is a passion of mine, and I'm continually striving to improve my craft. I'd like to talk to you about Janice Sullivan of Sullivan J Photography, her membership program, and how it has helped me become a better photographer. I've been working with Janice for a little over 2 years, and I've learned so much in that time. Janice and Ashley have put together a great membership program, and it provides so many opportunities to learn and improve. I really like the video workshops and the monthly challenges. Have you ever photographed flowers on black plexiglass? What about focus stacking an image? These are examples of topics we cover in our workshops. And man, are they cool. How much do you really know about your lenses? Can you grab just the right lens for any situation? Our monthly challenge last month was to get to know your lenses better, and it's definitely helped. These are just a few of the examples of things I have learned in her membership program. Janice has helped me improve in all aspects of my photography, starting with the creative visualization process to using digital tools such as Lightroom and Photoshop, and what it takes to create a beautiful print that you can be proud to hang on your wall. The technical aspects of photography are an important part of her teachings. That includes the camera settings, lighting, lenses, and digital processing tools. And there are many videos available in her membership library to help with this. But I think the most important lesson she has taught me is to shoot from the heart. Open yourself up to the creative process and really put a part of yourself in each photo. And to always challenge yourself and to keep on learning. She is continually challenging and pushing me to be my very best and to move out of the comfort zones into the unknown. That's where you grow. I could go on and on about her excellent image critiques, her attention to detail, and the enthusiastic way that she approaches everything that she does. All of these things and more have made me a better photographer and a better person. And for that, I am very thankful.